Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 69 Chevy Chevelle. Really cool car. Got a ZZ4 in it. Got some Hotchkiss suspension upgrades. This car just rocks and fun to drive. It has burnouts like you can't imagine. Really nice shaped car. Car come out of Wyoming. It's a nice dry car. You've seen the pictures from underneath. Really no issues anywhere on it. Let's see, maybe that hood spring's a little weak right there. Let's see. We try to point out everything we can. When I had it on the hoist, I seen there's the door tag right there. Now below the line, they rock guarded it. So it's out in Wyoming where they live. There's a gravel road, so they didn't want to chip the bottom up. So kind of a neat idea depending on where you live. Got a B&M Pro Stick shifter, Pro Comp gauges, including trans temp, RPM, 454 miles on it since the build. So kind of a fresh build. Tilt wheel. There you can see the dome light works. Interior's been redone in a cloth. Obviously they're not Chevelle seats. Later 80s inspection sheet on it. Here's ZZ4 Auto Tranny LT4 hot cam, Edelbrock E-Tech heads, Edelbrock RPM intake, 750 Holley ATI ignition. So a nice build. So, and the interior, no issues whatsoever. Doors shut nice. Got the nice striping on it. I don't really see many flaws on it. Like I said, it's only got 454 miles on the build. So, paint, as you can see right there, got a great shine to it. So just a beautiful car. Love this color. This is one of my favorite colors in Chevelles. So got centerline wheels on it. Good tread. So really not many things you can fault this car on, except for it's a lot of fun. So I can't show you a lot of imperfections because there aren't many. So we'll also do a video of driving it and a video of it running. So if you got any questions, give me a call. 605-695-7391.